Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today I'm going to tell you the top 5 reasons why I absolutely love online marketing. Let's get started. Reason number 1 is endless possibilities. Online marketing allows you to get creative and explore different strategies and tactics to reach your target audience. It gives you the freedom to test new ideas and see what works best for your business. Reason number 2 is the ability to reach a global audience. With online marketing, you're not limited to reaching only a local or regional audience. You can reach millions of potential customers from all over the world. Reason number 3 is that it's affordable. Online marketing campaigns can be tailored to fit any budget, so even a small business can afford to launch successful campaigns. Reason number 4 is the ability to measure results in real time. With online marketing, you can monitor your campaigns closely and adjust them as needed. This allows you to maximize your return on investment and optimize your campaign performance. Reason number 5 is that it's easy to start. You don't need a whole lot of experience or large budget to start utilizing online marketing strategies. There are so many tools available that makes it easy to get up and running quickly. And there you have it, my top 5 reasons why I absolutely love online marketing. I hope this was helpful and give you some insights into why online marketing has become so popular in recent years. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please give it a like or comment below and follow me or subscribe to see more valuable videos like this one in the future. If you are interested and open to learning more about our online marketing resources to help with your business get more leads for free, or if you simply are looking to earn a living in a positive and principle-centered way without getting hurt in the process, take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in to receive positive emails from me for free on a regular basis. I appreciate you watching my videos, and remember to always go for your dreams, and most importantly, please stay healthy, my friends. Until next time.